and welcome to Alisra. Do you have problem how to make verbs? Usually students, they face difficulty. Either they memorize form of verbs or they try to use wrong verbs, not needed according to situation. In this video lesson, I'll try to let you know about one trick through which you can understand how to make multiple verbs from one single alphabet. What it would help you in? It would make your communication better. It would let you know about making different forms of verbs along with giving you confidence to make your communication effective and talk easily. Today, I'll focus on verb through one single alphabet A. So let's begin and try to follow me. You need to keep in mind alphabetical sequence, and what that sequence is, right after A, it is B. So try to make verbs out of AB. With me here, I have AB. With AB, it is abuse, which is first form or present form. Its past or second form is abused, and past participle, that is abused. Now let's say that you are done with AB. You don't know which other verb with AB it comes. Switch yourself towards AC. With AC, I'm having accept, second form accepted, and its past participle, that is accepted. Likewise with AC, it's accelerate. I accelerate the speed of the car. That would become as your present form. If you want to shift it towards second form, that is accelerated, and past participle, again it is accelerated. If you look here, all form of verbs, it ends either with D or with ED. So what in actual are those verbs which ends with D or with ED? They are regular verbs because all three forms, they are same with a difference of D or ED. Accomplish, again with the sequence C, accomplished, and likewise its past participle, that is accomplished. Accompany, accompanied, and accompanied. Accuse, accused, and accused. Now you can make in this way many verbs out of one single AC, AB. Still we are following the sequence of A with different other alphabets. Let's say that you are finished with AC. You don't know about other verbs which comes with AC, then shift yourself towards AD with first AD, that is add, added, and added. Moreover, with AD, that is adopt, adopted, and adopted. Admire, admired, and admired. Admit, admitted, and admitted. Advise, advised, and advised. Advent, advented, and its past participle, again advented. Now let's say that you are done with AD. Switch yourself towards AF, because with AE there is no possibility. Afford, afforded, and afforded. If there is no other in your mind with AF, then move on towards AG, which makes agree, agreed, and agreed. If you are done with AG, then move on towards AH till AZ. Follow the sequence, and this would help you out in making out of a single alphabet either 100 or more than 100 different forms of verb, which would resolve your issue that students usually encounter, how to make multiple more verbs. This is the criteria. If you are done with AZ, follow the sequence of BA, then BB, BC, BD and so on. Try to apply the same criteria on each alphabet. By the end, you would be having thousands of verbs with you, which would help you out in making your communication fluent and effective. Stay tuned to us. Have a good day.